Hello everyone, let's take a look at our next problem. The function y equals 2x cubed minus 6x squared plus 5x minus 7 has no stationary points, 1 stationary point, 2 or 3 stationary points. Okay, so my first thought here is stationary point is not something that I usually see as terminology used to describe properties of a function, but I'm pretty sure what they mean is a point where the tangent to the curve is horizontal. Because then if you think about it as a physical system, a particle lying either at the bottom of at a local minimum or local maximum, if the point is lying there, it's not going to move under the effects of gravity. So it's stationary. So we have a cubic function. In general, a cubic function can have at most 2 stationary points. We can solve for those points by taking a derivative and setting it equal to 0. And then seeing how many roots of that polynomial we have. Something we'll have to be careful about is is it possible? I suppose even if the derivative is equal to 0, even if it's not a local minimum or maximum, because the curve could be sort of flat at some point, that would still count as a stationary point. But in that case, I believe we'd only have 1 stationary point. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to take a derivative set equal to 0 and see how many values of x we have where tangent lines are horizontal. Okay, so I've taken a derivative, set it equal to 0, and solved for x. So this gives me the 2 points on this curve that have a horizontal tangent, which I'm interpreting to be what they call a stationary point. There are 2 distinct values of x for which this happens. I don't really care exactly what these values of x are equal to, but the point is they are different. So this means that we have 2 stationary points. Yeah, nothing special about this question really, other than just understanding what it means to have a stationary point. At least this is what I am pretty sure a stationary point means. But if I have any more thoughts or if I find some kind of mistake, I'll put them in the description below. Thanks for watching.